Panzanella with fennel and shrimp.
We are in Italy, in Sant'Angelo di Romagna, and I want to teach you how to make panzanella. Let's cut some tomatoes now, these beautiful tomatoes. This is cuore di bue, as they say, which means the heart, beef's heart tomato. So here we are. Oh, mamma mia. So this, what I'm looking for here, you know, this part is a little green, so I'm gonna kind of cut it out. It didn't get too mature in the center, but the rest is perfectly delicious and good. And I'm gonna cut it about the same size as I have the bread. And you wanna leave the juiciness of the tomato in, you know, you don't wanna take the water out because the bread is gonna absorb it all and it's gonna be delizioso. Okay. We'll put the tomatoes right in the bread. Fennel, I'd like a little bit of fennel in that. When you buy a fennel, a whole head like this is beautiful. You just kind of clean the outside tough leaves. It has a heart in the middle, and I cut some of that out. That's it. That's the hard part. And so now we'll cut it very thin. And do I want big pieces? Well, I'm getting towards the bottom here. Okay, this is the right pieces, just like that. Scallions, this is spring onion. I found these in the market, and shopping is the best part of actually cooking for me. And let me see, maybe I'll cut it in half, and then... And I love to use some of the green part of all the way up to here. Absolutely. Let's use it all. So you can see how the flavors are really building up. And a little cucumber. Let me just peel it. And if you leave a little bit of skin, I don't mind. I like it. I do that also when I use eggplant. You know, because the skin has a lot of the nourishment. Just make sure you wash it before. So I'm looking at this, you know, the round, whatever the size. The round could be like fine, but also you can cut it just like that to give you another kind of size. Just like that. Just the aroma of each ingredient, you know, it's just wonderful. All right, so here we are. And now the shrimp. Will I have space here to toss all of it? I would say so. I will do it nice and gently. A little bit of salt, first of all. Now, keep in mind, the shrimp, they have flavor because I cooked them in a court bouillon with some celery, carrots, and onions. But I need the salt for the rest. A little bit of fresh pepper. And some vinegar and olive oil. Olive oil is such an essential part of the Italian cuisine, and I know you all love it. So let me just toss this. Okay, so this is ready. I'm gonna let it rest so the bread absorbs the sauce. I'll call my friend on, Elisabetta, and we'll have a good chat.
Welcome, benvenuti. Yes, I'm in Italy, and I'm inviting you to come with me. And here we have a question from Joyce. And Joyce wants to talk wine. She says, I love how you always tell us what wine you are drinking with your meal at the end of the show. I love wine with a meal too. Are there any general tips for pairing wine with a meal? Are there any general rules? Not really. I think it's getting to know your wine ever more. Here I am in the Garda region, and it's one of the big wine-producing regions of Italy. They produce everything from white to red, but they're really known also for their sparkling. Yes, I like a nice crispy white wine when you have fish or light meal, red wine, if you're getting into tomatoes and meats and so on. But you know what, Joyce? A good rule to remember, and one that I like, is think of spumante, a sparkling wine, whether it's white or it's a rosé. A sparkling wine will take you from the opening, from the antipasto to the dessert with no problem. So, when in trouble, don't know what to do, think sparkling. You'll love it. Thank you for writing. I'm in Italy having a great time. and I will respond to your questions.
I'm going to finish dressing this salad, and I have my dear friend Elisabetta. Come stai?
Bene,
Ecco.
grazie.
You know, you have olive oil in your veins. Tell us a little bit about family, about olive oil. How did you get involved?
We are in the olive oil business since 50 years ago. Me and my brothers are involved in this business. We try to do our best to give to the special product to the consumer.
Great idea. And I do
Yes.
want you to taste
Yes,
my panzanella if you like.
yes.
And it has your oil, so
Fantastic.
Okay, good.
Thank
enjoy
you very
it.
much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you very
So,
much.
you know, it's always great to have an expert with us. What do you think? Good? Is it dressed correctly?
Perfectly. Not too much. Is the right quantity of vinegar, right quantity of extra virgin olive oil. This is perfect.
Oh, bene. I got the seal of approval from my dear friend Elisabetta.
And it's very healthier, this dish.
So I really appreciate you being here and sharing with my friends out there, now your friends,
Yes.
what you're doing and your passion for olive oil. Grazie.
Thank you very much. Thank you.